Hello my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing the stamps and paper that I got from Stampin' Up just the other day. So I've opened it up, but I haven't opened it up, if that makes sense. So here we go. I love to save this to send packages. Okay. I got the Gingerbread and Peppermint Designer Series paper, and I got a celebration set, and then I got some stamps. So let's get started with the stamps. This is more of the Christian/religious theme. And I needed some more stamps. They were getting old and wouldn't stick anymore and stained. So I just said, okay, it's time for more stamps. So this is the one set, and then this is the other set. I love this bigger Merry Christmas to You. That would go great on a circle die cut, I think. And then you've got some that can work in circles or rectangles. And here is this wonderful paper. Would you believe I bought 100-pound craft cardstock just to go with this paper? Okay, let me see if I can open it. There we go. Exciting. Wow, look at all the different papers. And double-sided. And there's four. This is really cool. There's so many so that you don't have to struggle over trying to decide which side to use. That's pretty. Icing, icing, yum, yum. Oh, look at the cutout Christmas trees. The gingerbread Christmas trees. How pretty is that? Makes me think of cookies and coffee. Oh, and peppermints. Oh, and speaking of which, and I don't know where they are right now, but I did buy some little peppermint, plastic acrylic peppermint embellishments from Etsy. So that'll be fun. Yeah, here we go. Beautiful, beautiful. So cute. This will probably take me a couple years to use up, but that's okay. Beautiful. And I am a bell ringer, so I'm sure I'll use these pieces on cards I make for my choir members. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, ooh, lots of sprinkles and candies. And I love the stripes, of course. And then there's that. All right. And then the different colors that are in here. Cinnamon Cider, Early Espresso, Old Olive, and Real Red. I have the Early Espresso and Old Olive inks. So that'd be perfect. Okay. Now, this was my celebration reward for over $50. And I chose this Peaceful Print paper. Now, I don't have the deer punch, but I do have a deer die. That was my very first die before I ever started crafting. I was at Joann's and I saw a magazine on card making, and it intrigued me, and it came with that die. Okay, through the magic of the camera, here is the die that I got in the magazine. And of course I had no idea what to do with it then. And then, I don't know if you've heard my story, but the former patient that I was with at the time, she found out about this, and before I knew it, her husband had drug out a bunch of stuff, a die cut machine, paper, stamps, the whole bit. So that's how I got started. So this is my very first die. It's really cute. Okay. That side of this one is a real pretty smaller check. Oops. Okay, and here's some birch trees, very pretty. And oh, I love the stripes. Love the candy cane stripes. So you get 2 pages of each. And here's a really cute print with snowflakes. Plaid snowflakes. Awesome. And then you've got regular plaid on the back. Ooh, trees. How cool is that? I love those. Love those. And they're just a beautiful, beautiful, almost like a snowfall print. Green snowflakes. And, oh, looks like pine branches, pine boughs. Jumping deer and just a crosshatch. And that's it. And the colors in this are basic black, cherry cobbler, garden green, which I have those, real red, and Sahara sand. I have a light brown. It's not Sahara sand, but it's Gina K ink. Oh, right. I am so happy to get these new stamps. It'll be a lot of fun to use everything. So look forward to Christmas cards made with sets. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you again next time.